Hello, everyone. You will be aware from today's news headlines about significant outbreaks of COVID amongst students across Scotland. This is a matter of growing concern for public health authorities, the Scottish Government, and ourselves at RCS. It puts students at risk, wider communities at risk, and it puts at risk the very in-person teaching and campus-based education across the country, including right here at RCS, which we have planned so carefully for over the summer. One thing is clear: if we're not able to stage our own intervention to come to grips with these numbers and transmission of the virus, one will be imposed upon us. So this is why I'm asking several things of all of you. For your own well-being and for the well-being of others in our community and our city, I need you all to follow some simple rules.
You must adhere to the COVID safety guidelines and respect social distancing whenever you're in RCS and at all other times. You must avoid socialising outside of your households and outside of your accommodation. You must not hold or attend gatherings of more than 6 people, and that does mean that no parties or other wider social gatherings inside or out. On top of that, I'm going to ask you, just for the time being, to think really carefully, more carefully than you've probably done before, about where you're spending your time and who with. That means thinking twice about busy pubs, gardens, meeting in groups in parks, in flats, or even on residence rooftops.
I'm asking this of the RCS staff as well as students, so that we can all act in the best interests of our community. We are creative people, but please do not be creative in interpreting this guidance. I'm also asking everyone who has not already done so to download the NHS Protect Scotland app at protect.scot.
Finally, I appreciate these are really difficult times for us all, and we all may need support and advice at various points. So please do not hesitate to use RCS's support services, including our Welcome Home support team, anytime you need help.
We pride ourselves at the Conservatoire on being an ensemble, that we learn and we create together. It's at the heart of what we do. So we need to take these actions that I've outlined in order to continue working together in the Conservatoire, as well as to help keep the wider community of Glasgow safe. As I've said before, if we don't, there will be consequences. Be clear too that the RCS will act whenever these guidelines are being breached. I know this is a big ask of everyone in our community, and I really wish I didn't have to ask it, but it's too important. This is not a drill, and it's not just about individuals. It's about the collective responsibility that we have to one another, to the Conservatoire, and to Glasgow. Please make sure you are playing your part. Thank you.
Please ensure you're playing your part. Thank you very much, everybody, and stay safe.